Good morning children. Welcome back to your GK class. Today we will do our chapter Adventure Sports. Activities that involve danger or speed or both are often called adventure sports. Many adventure sports are done in air and on or in water. So here are some examples. The first one is, it is usually done on rough water in order to thrill and excite the raft passengers. It became a part of Olympic Games in 1970s and the name of the sport is water rafting. Next one is, soaring like a hawk thousands of feet above the ground using a glider. Soaring like a hawk means flying like a bird 1,000 feet above the ground, and the name of the sport is hang gliding. But if you simply want to enjoy the experience of flying, there's nothing quite like it. It travels as fast as the wind blows. Many people describe flying in this as one of the most enjoyable activities they have ever experienced. And name of the sport is hot air balloon. Next one is, moving over snow by the use of a pair of long flat runners called skis attached to the shoes or boots, and the name of the sport is skiing. Now heading out to our next chapter, that is trophies and cups. In the world of sports, several kinds of trophies and cups are awarded to the winners. So here are some examples. First one is, it is the Rugby Union Trophy awarded to the winners of annual 6th National Championship, and the name of the trophy is Calcutta Cup. Next one is, it is given to the winners of Australian Majors Thoroughbred Horse Race. Thoroughbred means well-bred horses, and name of the cup is Melbourne Cup. It is given for a test cricket series played between England and Australia, and the name of the trophy is Ashe Trophy. Next one is, it is the championship trophy awarded annually by the National Basketball Association to the winners of finals. Name of the trophy is Larry O'Brien Trophy. Next one is, it is given to the winners of one of 4 Grand Slam tennis tournaments known by the same name, and the name of the cup is Wimbledon Cup. Next one is, it is awarded to the winners of Polo Championship played by the teams from the US and England, and name of the cup is Westchester Cup. Next one is, it is given to the winners of the biennial men's gold championship held between Europe and the US. Biennial means which is held after every 2 years. So name of the cup is Ryder Cup. And the last one is, it is given to the winners of singles and double squash event contested between the United States and Canada, and the name of the trophy is Lance Trophy. So that was all about this unit, and there is one more topic included in your syllabus, that is I wonder. There are many wonderful things that are happening all around the world. So here are some questions, you have to answer these. First one is, why does an egg look like a crazy jellyfish underwater? Second one is, why do cats land on their feet? Third one is, what is yeast? Yeast are microscopic single-celled organisms belonging to the fungi kingdom and the taxonomy group that also includes mushrooms and molds. First question is, why does each and every one of us is a walking petri dish? Petri means full of bacteria. Fifth one is, why is ocean water salty? Sixth one is, how much an average person walks in a lifetime of 80 years? Seventh one is, why doesn't the glue in the bottle dry up? Eighth one is, how is the Amazon rainforest beneficial for our earth? Ninth one is, what does happen when a black hole swallows a star? So these are all in your book. Now students, open your notebooks and note down the homework. Your homework is to complete these two chapters in your notebook. Thank you.